So this year's color of the year is called Cloud Dancer. I'm wearing that color, and I created a video a little bit ago with using some inspiration for that new color, and I made a palette as well. So let me show you this new palette of what I'm wearing on my eye over here, this side of my face. I started off by using the new Golden Sunrise Cream Shimmer Stick eyeshadow from Lid to Brow. I love starting all my makeup with these because it acts as a great base and it has a nice brightener for the eye area. And here's my Cloud Dancer inspired palette. I have Crystalline, Hazelnut, Rose Gold, Biscotti, or you could even do Blossom, Candlelight, and Mauve, Golden Mauve. This is Rosy Nude Cheek Color and Glazed Highlighter. I'm going to take the Hazelnut eyeshadow and I'm going to apply that in my crease and all over my lid. I'm doing my lid and my crease. Next, I'm taking the Crystalline. I'm going to apply it through my brow bone. I love this color. I'm wearing a very monochromatic look today, so I'm making my makeup kind of match the vibe. Next, I'm taking Candlelight and I'm applying it in the inner corner of my eye to give me a little pop of brightness. The nice thing about this palette too is that it's neutral, and a lot of these colors can be interchangeable. You could certainly do the same concept with this Crystalline in the inner corner of your eye. And now I'm taking the Rose Gold, one of my favorites. I'm applying that just a little bit above the inner corner of my eye. I'm not putting it on my whole lid, just a little bit above the inner corner of my eye. Such a pretty color. And now I'm just going to line my eyes with a mascara and black eyeliner. You certainly could make this darker by using a little bit of the mauve color or even a darker brown, but I'm kind of keeping it a little bit softer today. I used the black waterproof eyeliner and the new Great Heights waterproof mascara, which I really like this mascara. It has vitamin E in it, and it's not as stiff of a mascara as a lot of other waterproofs. And I love the brush because it has nice tiny bristles that I like. Next, I'm going to take the Rosy Nude Cheek Color. I'm going to apply that in the higher parts of my cheeks and blend it into my apple of my cheek. So if you, I smudged my eyebrows, just right through here. Next, I'm going to take the Glazed Highlighter and just apply that in the top parts of my cheekbone to give me a little bit of nice little glow. I love the Glazed Highlighter. And now my makeup is pretty much finished. Actually, it is finished. I just need to tell you what I put on my lips. I have the pink nude or the beige nude would work really well, lip liner, waterproof lip liner. And then I topped my lips with the Rosewood Lipstick. I'm trying to find it for you to show it to you. Here's the Rosewood Lipstick I have on, part of our Semi Shine collection. I'm going to top this off with the Nude Blush Lip Gloss. It's a very nice neutral to go with my monochromatic look today, inspired by Cloud Dancer. There we go. It's soft, it's natural, it goes with everything. If you don't like heavy makeup, this is a great look for you. And there's lots you can add to it. If you wanted a base palette, this palette would be really pretty because there's a lot you can add. And with our palettes, because these are magnetic, these little inserts pop in and out so that when you run out of your favorite color, you're just replacing the one color or you're adding a new color versus a whole palette of colors that you may not use. So that's what I love about our palettes. So if you're looking for a new winter look, send me a DM.